Welcome back to the DIYnanny channel. Today I'm hacking a play kitchen, but not this kitchen, this kitchen. My plan was to hack this kitchen, but I decided at the end to go and get the IKEA kitchen for several reasons. First of all, this one is a bit old, it's been here for years. There's some parts that are broken, this door can't close, the phone is broken. This I glued once, it fell off, I glue it again. So I thought I'd get a different kitchen and I chose the IKEA kitchen. I also wanted something a bit bigger or at least higher because I feel like this one is really low. This is the side of the IKEA kitchen. It is a bit higher to begin with, and it has those adjustable legs that you can put from both sides, and it gives it a bit more height, which is great. Also, the countertop is much bigger. This one has a fridge, so it basically almost the whole space with the fridge. It has some room to put stuff next to the sink or next to the stove. The sink is much bigger as well. This is the IKEA sink. This is the sink we have here, so much better. And the best thing is the stove. We have this stove here that you can turn the knobs, but nothing happens. And I got complaints about that nothing happens. There's no fire, no noise, nothing happened. So this one is the IKEA stove, and it lights up. And there's 2 levels we can put it. And I'm sure this is gonna be an improvement for the kids. Yeah. The only thing about the IKEA kitchen is that it doesn't have a refrigerator, but I am gonna solve it with another IKEA furniture. My inspiration for this hack comes from an Instagram account called 6@21. A long time ago, I saved a picture of our kitchen, and I just love the combination of the wood with the green, so this is what I'm going for. So I'm all ready to paint. The bottom half of the kitchen, including the doors, going to get this beautiful green color. Just love it. The top shelves are going to be, I'm thinking white, so I'm going to prime it and then decide. And the countertop and the top shelf, the one on the very top, are going to be stained with special walnut, which is one of my favorites. I think I'll have to sand it a little bit because it feels kind of, I feel like it covered with something. I am also repainting the drawer fronts of the Play Kitchen island because I wanted to match the kitchen. The next day, everything dried and was ready to be put together. After I was done with assembling, there was two things I wanted to add. The first one is a back. There is a back for the cabinets on the bottom and top, but I wanted to close everything, so I got a foam board and covered it with a marble wallpaper. I used hot glue to attach it, and since it's leaning against the wall, I think it will be okay. The second thing was some buttons for the microwave. This one comes without any buttons or even a picture of buttons, so I just designed something on Cricut Design Space and used my Cricut Maker to create it. And that's it for the kitchen. As I was saying in the beginning, I did solve the refrigerator problem with an IKEA Billy cabinet, but it is not done yet. I put it together and even added a cute handle, but there is still stuff to add to it, so I'm going to create a separate video or just put it on my Instagram when it's done. Let's see what we got so far. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.